Integrating an emergency fund into your budget is crucial for financial stability and security. EveryDollar is a popular budgeting tool that allows you to manage your finances effectively. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to integrate an emergency fund into your EveryDollar budget. First, understand the importance of an emergency fund. It is a pool of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. To integrate an emergency fund into your EveryDollar budget, start by logging into your account and clicking on the Income tab. Add your monthly income and then proceed to the Expenses tab. EveryDollar allows you to categorize your expenses into different groups, such as housing, transportation, and food. Create a new category for your emergency fund and allocate a specific amount each month. You can set a goal for your emergency fund, such as saving a certain amount or percentage of your income. EveryDollar will track your progress and provide you with a clear picture of your emergency fund growth. When allocating funds to your emergency fund, consider the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment, including your emergency fund. Practically, if you earn $4,000 per month, you can allocate $2,000 towards necessary expenses, $1,200 towards discretionary spending, and $800 towards saving and debt repayment. Within the $800, you can allocate a specific amount towards your emergency fund, such as $500. To make the most out of your emergency fund, make sure to keep it separate from your everyday spending money. Consider opening a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This will help you avoid the temptation to use the funds for non-essential expenses. EveryDollar allows you to link your bank accounts and track your emergency fund growth in real time. You can also set reminders and notifications to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and making consistent contributions, you can build a robust emergency fund and achieve financial stability. In conclusion, integrating an emergency fund into your EveryDollar budget is a straightforward process. By understanding the importance of an emergency fund, allocating a specific amount each month, and keeping your funds separate, you can build a safety net to protect yourself from financial shocks. Start building your emergency fund today and take the first step towards achieving financial freedom.